हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सभी ठीक होंगे। अब जल्दी से हम शिफ्ट कर जाते हैं ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग में। ऑटोमोबाइल रिलेटेड टू व्हीकल्स, it deals with designing, developing, producing, and testing a vehicle or an automobile. So these graduates work closely with the companies and industry experts to enhance the technical performance and aesthetics of the vehicles. The automobile industry has witnessed tremendous growth in the past decade and continues an important part of the economy. आप ही बताइए, आज के वर्ल्ड में ज्यादातर लोगों के पास अपना खुद का व्हीकल है, चाहे वो 4 व्हीलर हो, 2 व्हीलर हो या मल्टीपल व्हीलर हो। ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दिस इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच इज ग्रोइंग रैपिडली। एंड गाइस, इट इज अ सब ब्रांच ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑटोमोबाइल is also used as a synonym of automotive. Today, an automotive engineer or an automobile engineer works in every area of the industry, from the look and mechanism of cars to the security and safety of new forms of transport. The major task of automobile engineer includes designing, developing, manufacturing, and testing vehicles from the concept stage to the production stage. गाइस, आप जितने भी कार्स देखते हो, BMW, देन टेस्ला, सब कुछ ये इंजीनियर्स ने ही तो डिजाइन किया है, उन्होंने ही तो इस पे काम किया है। Those engineers, those automobile engineers are the reason behind these luxury cars. Now talking about the career opportunities. So as mentioned earlier, career opportunities are rising rapidly for automotive engineers. The job opportunity as an automobile engineer is increasing due to rapid growth of auto component in automobile sector. अब बात कर लेते हैं भाई जॉब प्रोफाइल्स की। You can work as an automobile technician, bike mechanics, automobile designers, car mechanics, quality engineer, mechanical design engineer, executive and managerial position, diesel mechanics, senior production engineer, driver instrumentation engineer. अब बात करते हैं फाइनली सैलरी पैकेजेस की भाई। इंडिया में एक ऑटोमोटिव इंजीनियर की एवरेज सैलरी है ₹3 लाख to ₹6 लाख पर एनम भाई एज अ फ्रेशर। अब हम आते हैं अपने चौथे ब्रांच में, जो कि है बायोमैकेनिकल, जो कि है बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग। बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग ना एक ऐसी इंजीनियरिंग टेक्निक है जो कि ऑर्गेनिक साइंसेस के साथ की जाती है, ताकि हमारी क्वालिटी ऑफ हेल्थ केयर, फार्मास्यूटिकल एंड ह्यूमन लाइफ की इम्प्रूव हो सके क्वालिटी। दिस फील्ड इज गेटिंग ह्यूज पॉपुलैरिटी अराउंड द ग्लोब विद इट्स सिग्निफिकेंट इनोवेशंस इन द मेडिकल फील्ड। सिंपली वी कैन से दैट बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग इज एन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी field of engineering courses that deals with the study of engineering laws and techniques that are applied in the medical field. अब यही बच गया था भाई, मेडिकल फील्ड में भी इंजीनियर्स चाहिए। गाइस, आपको पता है आज हेल्थ सेक्टर कितना टॉप नॉच हो चुका है, कैसी कैसी मशीन्स डेवलप हो चुकी है, कैसी कैसी टेक्नोलॉजी आ चुकी है भाई। किसके वजह से? इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू मेडिकल इंजीनियर्स, यू बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियर्स। So talking about the job profiles, you can work as clinical engineers, bioinstrumentation engineer, then research scientist, then business managers, technical writers, biomechanics engineers, patent analyst, professor teachers, biometricals engineers, etc. अब बात करते हैं भाई सैलरी पैकेज की। These are well paid as compared to the careers in any other medical fields. Yes, you heard it right. Apart from the other benefits and perk, you can get a starting salary varying between ₹2.5 lakhs to ₹3.6 lakhs per year. In the government sector as a biomedical engineer, your salary starts from ₹2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum depending upon the reputation of the organization. As you gain experience in this field, द सैलरी ऑफ कोर्स इंक्रीजेस, क्योंकि भाई यहाँ पे भी एक्सपीरियंस ही मांगता है। अब हम बात करते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट ब्रांच की, जो कि है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इंजीनियरिंग। सो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इंजीनियरिंग है क्या? सो गाइस, ये कंबाइंड स्टडी होती है इंजीनियरिंग और बायोलॉजी की फॉर द रिसर्च एंड द डेवलपमेंट। सो biotechnology engineering is a part of the engineering that involves the technology and biological science for development in the field of medical, agriculture, security, and bioresearch. In other logical words, biotechnology is equals to biology plus technology. So guys, ये field भी बहुत rapidly grow हो रहा है. The demand for biotechnical experts has been growing nowadays. This field is a blend of many specializations. Those specializations in this field can easily seek jobs in the private and government undertakings. So talking about the job titles, so those are lab technicians, research scientists, teachers or professors, then research associate, science writer, biotechnologist, sales representative, Quality Control Office. Talking about the salary, a fresher graduate can earn the initial package of rupees 2.5 lakhs per annum. After getting the experience of 2 or more years, he can get the double or multiple of it. Yes, you heard it right, double or multiple. So अब हम बात कर लेते हैं जरा chemical engineering की. So chemical engineering is the science that deals with the principles which involve understanding and describing the chemistry, chemical properties, analysis, environment, and their control. So if you are the one who is more interested, who is more inclined towards chemicals, chemistry, so you should definitely opt for chemical engineering. So now let's talk about the jobs and career. So a chemical engineer is the man who uses a natural material or the waste material and turns that into the useful or less harmful for our use. The chemical engineers can work and help with the products like cosmetics, medicines, papers, food and drink, textile, fuel, oil and gas, metallurgy for furniture and vehicle. अब देखिए cosmetics में भी आ गए engineers. So the chemical engineers are commonly called the universal engineers for their deep knowledge in both engineering and chemistry. It proves that the professional can find a job in various fields. अब भाई जब बोल ही universal engineers दिया जा रहा है उसे, तो इसकी स्कोप भी तो बहुत हाई होंगे ना. It is understood. So the chemical engineers may be employed in multinational companies, research organizations, oil and gas industry, food industry, energy industries, chemical and elite products, utility companies and many others. Salary की बात करते हैं हम. In the field of chemical engineering, a fresh graduate may get an initial salary of around 20,000 to 25,000 per month in India or $35,000 to $40,000 per annum in the US or abroad. So, the most awaited one, the civil engineering. तो भाई चलो अब बात कर ही लेते हैं इसकी. So, if you are the one who have an interest in the design, construction and creativity of natural or physical built environment, then civil engineering is the best discipline for you to prove your ability and find the career which you wish to. Civil engineering is the second oldest professional degree in the field of engineering. In the past, it was known as military engineering. Some of the large and worldwide popular monuments like Eiffel Tower, Dubai Resort, Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal, these are the best examples to prove how important and valuable this branch is. If we can describe it in few words, then we will say that civil engineering is the art and mechanism of directing the power in the nature for use and convenience of men. It is an art to create the developed world around us. So, civil engineering भी एक art है, art. So, as a civil engineer, you have great options as engineering technician, environment engineers, regional and urban planners, construction engineers, transportation engineer, engineering geologist, CAD technician and many others. So बात कर लेते सैलरी की. तो इंडिया में ना a student who has cleared the degree in civil engineering can get the offer of salary starting from 5 lakh per annum up to 20 plus lakh per annum. It is just the starting salary. So now let's talk about the computer science and engineering. So भाई आज के टाइम पे कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग तो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड पे है. अब बात कर लेते हैं भाई ये होता क्या है. So it involves the design and understanding of the computational process and programming languages. Talking about the jobs and career, there are ample job opportunities in the fields of computer science and engineering. After the completion of your degree in computer science and engineering, you can work in the field of database management and embedded systems IT, telecommunication, multimedia, computer hardware and software maintenance, gaming, web designing and other related industry. So it is a broad field to work in the private and government sectors as well. अब बात कर लेते हैं कुछ जॉब टाइटल्स की इसकी भी भाई. सो ये है कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर, सिस्टम डिज़ाइनर, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, academic research editor, e-commerce specialist, data warehouse analyst, software engineer, etc., etc., etc. So talking about the salary, after obtaining a degree in CSE, you can expect handsome salary, a beautiful salary in the government as well as private sector. The IT sector is the higher salary provider sector. A fresher can get the initial package of rupees 2 lakh per annum to 3 lakh per annum in India, and abroad he can get a 6-figure salary. After gaining a minimum of 2 years experience, you can get a salary just double of it. Yes, double of it. So guys, now let's talk about our next engineering branch, which is electronics and communication engineering. Electronics and communication engineering is one of the fastest growing fields of engineering courses. It involves the transmission of information across the channel. Electronics and communication engineering deals with the electronic devices and software applications. It is an interface of chain level hardware and information technology. So now most of you must be facing with a question, which is that what is the difference between electrical engineering and electronics engineering fields? So guys, the difference is not much. The basic study of ECE is just like electronics engineering and communications. Talking about the jobs and career options you have. So an electronics and communication engineer can work in aviation and avionics, then consumer electronics, electricity plant, manufacturing, transportation, communication and telecommunication, then computer application, radio, television, etc. So some of the job titles are electronics engineer, field test engineer, network planning engineer, electronics and communications consultant, customer support engineer, and lot many. So now let's talk about the salary. So if you are an electronics engineer, you can get the initial package of 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum in India and $60,000 to $70,000 per annum abroad. After gaining enough experience, you can easily earn attractive salary packages in this field in India as well as abroad. Coming to our next branch, which is electrical and electronics engineering. So what is it? Guys, it is a growing and one of the most sought disciplines in the field of engineering study. It comprises electrical engineering and electronics engineering. So it deals with the application and study of power and devices. It originated from electrical engineering itself. With the technological modernization of the world and computerization in our work field, it is necessary to use and understand the circuits and computerized devices in the electrical and electronic field. So electrical and electronics engineering, which is triple E, involves power. It can exist in various forms like a turbine, hydro, gas, fuel cell, solar, wind or geothermal energy. It involves the use, storage and generation of power and energy. So it really is interesting. So guys, now let's talk about the jobs and career. So guys, आज के वर्ल्ड में तो huge opportunities you have in the field of electrical and electronics engineering, है ना? So guys, an electrical and electronics engineer designs, develops and maintains the electrical, electronics and computer control system to the required specifications and focuses on the economy, reliability, safety, sustainability and quality. So, the job profiles in the field of electrical and electronics engineering are as follows. तो सबसे पहला है हमारा कंट्रोल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियर, फिर है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, देन ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियर, सिस्टम एनालिस्ट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम इंजीनियर, आईटी कंसल्टेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर, नेटवर्क इंजीनियर, सिस्टम डेवलपर एंड मच मोर. सो अब बात करते हैं हम सैलरी की. So in India, a fresher who has a degree in electrical and electronics engineering can get the offer of salary started from 2.5 lakh per annum up to 5 lakh per annum. और उसके बाद तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे आपकी सैलरी बढ़ेगी ही बढ़ेगी.